like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to ONK Channel Created. Okay, in this video I just give a little picture or ideas that I have. And in this video I can't give a tutorial. Maybe in the next video I will explain and will share knowledge about how to make it. Maybe not many people know how to do it like this. And although the method is almost the same but will get different results. And sometimes many people underestimate the work of others, and not necessarily he can do it, so I want to give a little knowledge about how to recycle used goods into goods or decoration that is very expensive. Maybe it's enough until here the explanation from me. We just wait for the video tutorial later. And I remind you again, for friends who have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to blame the bell so you can get the latest video from me. Thank you, and creative greetings.